I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now.
Hello everyone, and good morning or good afternoon or good night whenever you're watching this video. So I wanted to give you guys a quick update. It's been about maybe 2 weeks since I posted, or maybe a week and a half since I posted my first video on my container garden, and things have really grown since me posting that video. So I kind of wanted to show you guys what's going on, how everything's doing, and all that good stuff. So sorry about my shadow. So this was the two squash that I put in here together. I think it was the crookneck squash and the zucchini squash. I could be wrong, but it's huge. I didn't realize how big it was going to be. If I knew that, I probably would have put them in their own planters, in their own containers each, but I didn't do that. So we're gonna just see what happens to that. Okay, and this one over here, this is the potato. The potato has grown so much, so much. It looks really pretty, honestly. So hopefully underground it's doing good as well. I hope so. This is our cucumber plant over here. The leaves are looking good. We do have a little bit of yellowing, but I am researching how to fix that, or why or what causes it to do that. So if you guys know, let me know what I should be doing or what's missing. And then this is our other squash, which is the straight neck squash in here, and it's doing pretty well. It's not growing as fast, of course, as the two in here, but also these are like kind of cross-pollinating, so they're probably going to grow quicker. And again, there are 3 different types of squash, so I mean, what do you expect? And then over here is our strawberry plant, and as you guys can see, we have some strawberries growing. I am so excited, so happy to see them growing. This is just a long time coming, and I'm loving it. And then this is our one of our 2 tomato plants. This one right here is the Husky Cherry Red Tomatoes hybrid. Is doing pretty well. We have some blooms coming out and things like that, so hopefully we should have some tomatoes showing in the near future. And we have this one, which is, let's see, oh my goodness, this one is the, let's see, Parks Whopper hybrid tomato, and it's huge, and it's actually leaning over right now, so we're probably gonna have to get a bigger cage for this one. But this one has some blooms over here as well. Then over here we have our Blondie Bell bell pepper plant, doing pretty good. I'm probably going to end up putting it into a bigger pot pretty soon. Yeah, that's that. And then down here we have the orange bell pepper, which is not growing as fast as this one, but again, just because they're both bell peppers does not mean they're going to grow the same. And then this one down here is going to have to get moved soon, and this is our sweet banana pepper. So when I originally bought this, I didn't realize that it was a sweet banana pepper. So I'm probably going to end up going get the other kind of banana pepper as well pretty soon. And yeah, so that's just a little update on everything going on. Sorry it's not focusing, you guys. All right, so that was just a little update on everything that's going on and what's growing and how quickly everything's growing. I'm really excited to see things fruit. Hopefully everything goes well and everything like that, and I will definitely keep you guys updated. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.